Alright, future FNPs, let's talk. You've conquered the late nights, survived clinicals, and powered through countless study sessions. But now, the final boss, the FNP board exam. This isn't just about memorizing facts. It's a test of your critical thinking. That's exactly why we created the FNP Review Course. We break down every complex system cardiology, pulmonology into clear, concise lessons, no fluff. Just the essentials you need to truly understand the material and pass with confidence. You'll practice with thousands of board-style questions. Learn to spot those crucial buzzwords and take full-length mock exams that feel just like the real thing. This program is designed for your busy life, helping you study smarter, not harder. It's time to pass your boards, get your life back, and start your career with the confidence you deserve. Click the link to learn more and get started. See you on the other side.